All right, new to us manifold. The one we welded up and plugged off so the crossovers no longer are a problem. It's in, I just gotta torque it down, put everything back. All right, we are ready to give it the old college try, as they say. Everything's back together, everything's hooked up. I'm gonna turn the key on. I'm gonna obviously start it up here by hand first. Make sure we get everything running, and we go from there. And we've got leaky fuel. Great. Oh, absolutely great. Stucky float. Where's the bang bang? All right, so I gave it the little bang bang. All right, so I gave it a little and stick that float because this car's been sitting a little while. Beautiful. Happy girl. No, 'cause it's too fucking hot. All right,